Hello, this one is video about analysis of statistically determined component frame by using the Python. Uh, I'm going to show this example how we can do it in Python first. For this one, we are going to use the unstructured library. We need to import the unstructured library, and we need to define the member. And by this, we will define the coordinate of the element. Then we need to define the hinge. You can see in the figure we have hinge here, and we have point load, uh, uniformly distributed load, and we have fixed support and roller support. Okay, first first of all we define the all the parameter, and these are the library from an structure which I use for to define the hinge support condition and load condition. Then after uh, I define we solve this by using these commands. Then we got our result. Okay, just I want to show the result. Okay, this is our frame. Then if you go to the next portion, this is our the reaction force, and okay we can see it here, like we get the similar result, and with the similar result 10. Yeah, everything is similar. Then if you go to the next portion, then we have the bending movement diagrams, which we can see that is similar. We get the similar result, but the condition is that we have the different sign convention. It depends on how you assume the sign convention for the mm, to do your work. Next, I have like this is our shear force diagram. Let's see the shear force diagram. Okay, this is axial force diagram, which is same at which we want, and this one is our shear force diagram. You can see that we have the similar result. Yes, you can see that we have result. Uh, by this way, we can write the 2D frame structure by using the Python, and this can be full for the structural engineer. Thank you for watching. Thank you.